Okay, we're going to find the length of each arc and the area of each sector. And notice that down here it says in radians only. This is why degrees are specific to angles, and because the arcs and sectors are a different type of measurement, so this one we're talking about a length and an area. Degrees, you can't be measured that way, so that's why we have to convert those degrees to radians first. So first thing I'm going to do here is convert 150 degrees to radians. So we'll put the pi radians in the numerator, the 180 degrees, just like normal converting. This is how you convert, do regular conversions of other type. Well, 150 is the same as saying 30 degrees times 5, and then I'm going to multiply that by 5 radians, and then 180 degrees is 30 degrees times 6. Well, the 30 degrees cancel, and we've got 5 pi 6 radians. So now, to find the length of each arc, lowercase s is arc length, and then you just have the angle measure, that's the theta. Theta right there usually is depicted as the angle, the name of an angle. So we're going to put 5 pi 6 radians times the radius. R stands for radius. In this case, it is 14 kilometers, and then you multiply that straight across. Well, before I do that, I know that 6 and 14 have a 2 in common, so I'm going to cancel 6 divided by 2 is 3, 14 divided by 2 is 7, and then just multiply straight across. So we have 5 times 7 pi is 35 pi radians in kilometers, and the denominator is just 3 times that invisible 1. So the arc length S is equal to 35 thirds pi kilometers. Notice we don't have to no longer name it radians because that's just how it's been converted. And there you go. You're going to do the same thing over here. You're first going to convert the degrees to radians. And I'm going to look at this as 30 and 18. I know 6, so I'm going to divide both by 60. So 60 degrees times 5, and then times pi, over 60 degrees times, and we're talking about yards now, so this is radians, sorry, times 6 times 3, so times 3. There we go. Those cancel. 60 times 3 is 180. 60 times 5 is 300. So now to find the area of a sector, now that we have our radians, area is equal to 1/2 times the radian, or times the angle in radians, times r squared. Okay, so, whoops. Area is equal to 1/2 times 5 pi thirds times 13 yards squared. Area is equal, well, 2 times 3 is 6, so 5 pi 6 times 13 squared is 169. And then yard squared is yard squared. And then you're going to multiply that straight across. Let's see, 169 times 5, because I don't have my calculator handy. 4, carry the 3. So 845 pi over 6. Just like that. That's it for converting.